Welcome to my channel, where today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of how the rich keep getting richer, and specifically, the strategies they use to preserve and grow their wealth over time. This isn't just about earning money, it's about understanding the crucial systems and tactics that allow the wealthy to maintain and increase their fortunes even when they're not actively working. Whether you're just starting on your financial journey or you're looking to refine your money preservation strategies, this video will provide valuable insights that can help you secure your financial future. The world of wealth is complex, but when you break it down, the principles are straightforward. The rich don't rely on luck. They have systems in place that ensure their money continues to work for them 24/7 across various economic conditions. A major factor that keeps the rich getting richer is their understanding of asset allocation. It's not just about picking a few stocks or getting into real estate. The wealthy know that true wealth preservation comes from strategically dividing their money between different asset classes. They allocate their money across a diverse range of investments, including real estate, stocks, bonds, private equity, commodities, and sometimes more alternative investments like art, cryptocurrencies, or hedge funds. This is a critical step in protecting their wealth because it mitigates the risks associated with putting all their money into one investment. The concept of asset allocation goes beyond merely diversifying a portfolio. It's about understanding the risk-reward relationship in each investment and using that knowledge to build a robust financial foundation. What's particularly interesting is how the rich make their investment decisions based on the long-term performance of these assets. They understand that some investments, like real estate and stocks, have the potential to grow over decades, even if they experience short-term volatility. The key here is patience. The wealthy don't panic when markets fluctuate. Instead, they focus on the bigger picture, knowing that time is their greatest ally. While others may sell during market downturns, the rich often buy more, taking advantage of lower prices and positioning themselves for future growth. This is one of the reasons they continuously get richer. Their ability to think long-term and make decisions based on solid financial principles rather than emotion. One of the secrets of wealth preservation is understanding the power of compound interest. The rich know that the sooner you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. It allows your investments to grow upon themselves. Over time, even a modest investment can turn into a significant sum if you let it compound. This is why the wealthy emphasize starting early and letting your money work for you. They understand that time in the market is far more important than trying to time the market. The longer you leave your money invested, the more it will grow, thanks to the power of compounding. Tax efficiency is another essential strategy used by the rich to keep growing their wealth. It's not just about how much you make, it's about how much you keep after taxes. The rich use various tax strategies to minimize their tax liability and maximize their take-home earnings. For instance, they contribute to tax-deferred accounts, which allow them to defer paying taxes on their earnings until a later date. This gives their investments more time to grow. Additionally, wealthy individuals often use tax-efficient vehicles like trusts and charitable donations to shield a portion of their income from taxation. By being strategic with their tax planning, they can keep more of their money working for them, instead of sending it to the government. Diversification is another cornerstone of wealth preservation. The rich understand that concentrating their money in one area is a risky proposition. For example, investing only in the stock market leaves them vulnerable to market volatility. That's why they diversify their portfolios across different asset classes, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like private equity or commodities. Diversification helps reduce the risk of losing large sums of money in a market downturn because losses in one area can be offset by gains in another. This strategy helps the rich maintain and grow their wealth even when economic conditions fluctuate. By having their money spread across various sectors and industries, they ensure that their wealth remains protected no matter what happens in the market. But diversification isn't just about owning a mix of investments. The rich are highly selective about the specific assets they include in their portfolios. They don't just buy any stock or property. They look for investments that provide a combination of growth potential, income, and stability. For instance, they may invest in dividend-paying stocks that provide a steady income stream, while also offering the potential for capital appreciation. Or they might invest in real estate properties that not only increase in value over time, but also generate rental income. By carefully selecting high-quality investments, the rich ensure that their portfolios continue to generate wealth even in uncertain times. Another often overlooked strategy the rich use to grow and protect their wealth is investing in education and personal development. Wealthy individuals don't just invest in financial assets, they invest in themselves. This can mean attending conferences, enrolling in courses, or hiring personal coaches to keep their skills sharp and their minds open to new ideas. They understand that the more they learn, the better equipped they are to make informed decisions and spot opportunities that others might miss. Whether it's learning about new investment strategies, understanding changes in tax laws, or gaining insights into emerging markets, the rich are always seeking to expand their knowledge. The rich also hire financial advisors and wealth managers to help them navigate the complex financial landscape. While many people attempt to manage their finances on their own, the wealthy often delegate this task to professionals. These advisors provide invaluable guidance on everything from investment strategies to tax planning, estate planning, and risk management. By relying on experts, the rich can make smarter financial decisions that help them preserve and grow their wealth over time. Furthermore, wealth managers often have access to exclusive investment opportunities, such as hedge funds or private equity deals, that aren't available to the general public. This gives the rich an edge in growing their wealth even further. Real estate is another critical component of wealth preservation for the rich. Unlike stocks, which can be volatile, real estate provides a more stable form of wealth. It not only appreciates over time, but also generates passive income through rental properties. The rich often invest in commercial properties, apartment buildings, and even vacation homes, which provide them with a steady cash flow. In addition to the income generated by these properties, real estate tends to appreciate over the long term, making it a valuable asset for wealth preservation. The combination of passive income and capital appreciation makes real estate one of the most effective ways to build and maintain wealth. Another strategy the rich use is leveraging other people's money. Rather than using their own money for every investment, they often take on debt strategically to fund large purchases or investments. This allows them to keep their own money invested in other opportunities while still benefiting from the growth of the assets they've financed. For instance, they might take out a mortgage to buy a property instead of paying for it outright, which allows them to invest the money they would have used elsewhere. By using leverage, the rich can multiply their returns without putting all of their capital at risk. Inflation is another threat to wealth that the rich are careful to protect themselves against. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time, meaning that $1 today won't buy as much in the future. To combat this, the wealthy often invest in assets that are resistant to inflation, such as real estate, commodities, or treasury inflation-protected securities. These investments rise in value as inflation increases, helping the rich maintain their wealth's purchasing power. By holding assets that appreciate inflation, the rich can ensure that their money doesn't lose value over time. Another tool in the rich's wealth preservation toolkit is hedging. Hedging involves making investments that offset the risk of other investments. For example, if a wealthy individual has a large investment in the stock market, they might also invest in assets that tend to perform well when the stock market declines, such as gold or government bonds. This way, if the stock market falls, their losses are offset by gains in other areas. Hedging helps protect their wealth from market volatility, ensuring that their overall portfolio remains stable. The rich are also strategic when it comes to debt. While many people view debt as something to be avoided, the wealthy know how to use it to their advantage. They understand the difference between good debt, debt used to invest in income-generating assets, and bad debt, like credit card debt, which doesn't provide any financial return. By using debt strategically, the rich can acquire more assets, increase their cash flow, and further build their wealth without taking on unnecessary risk. For example, they might take out a loan to invest in a business or buy real estate, allowing them to generate more income while keeping their initial capital free for other investments. Creating multiple income streams is another hallmark of wealth preservation for the rich. They rarely rely on just one source of income, such as a salary. Instead, they build various streams of income, including dividends from stocks, rental income from real estate, interest from bonds, profits from businesses, and royalties from intellectual property. This diversity of income sources provides financial stability and ensures that their wealth continues to grow, even if one stream dries up. By having multiple streams of income, the rich can also reinvest their earnings into other assets, creating a virtuous cycle of wealth building. Estate planning is another essential strategy used by the rich to preserve their wealth for future generations. Without proper planning, a significant portion of their wealth could be lost to taxes when passed on to their heirs. The wealthy use tools like trusts, wills, and charitable foundations to ensure that their wealth is transferred in the most tax-efficient way possible. By planning their estates carefully, they not only reduce the tax burden on their heirs, but also ensure that their wealth is distributed according to their wishes. Estate planning helps protect family wealth and ensures that it lasts for generations to come. Generational wealth is a concept that the rich take very seriously. They don't just think about how to preserve their wealth for their lifetime. They think about how to pass it on to future generations. This involves not only setting up trusts and estate plans, but also educating their children and grandchildren about money management, investing, and entrepreneurship. By teaching the next generation the principles of wealth preservation, they ensure that their wealth continues to grow long after they're gone. Generational wealth isn't just about passing on money, it's about passing on the knowledge and skills needed to manage that wealth wisely. Charitable giving is another strategy the wealthy use to preserve their wealth while also contributing to society. Many wealthy individuals set up charitable foundations or donate large sums of money to causes they care about. Not only does this provide them with a sense of purpose and fulfillment, but it also offers significant tax advantages. By donating a portion of their wealth to charity, the rich can reduce their tax liability while also making a positive impact on the world. Charitable giving is a powerful way for the wealthy to preserve their wealth while also giving back to the community. Finally, the rich are patient when it comes to wealth building. They understand that wealth preservation and growth don't happen overnight. They remain committed to their long-term investment strategies, even when markets fluctuate or experience downturns. This patience allows them to ride out short-term volatility and emerge even wealthier in the long run. The rich don't panic during market dips. Instead, they see them as opportunities to buy more assets at a lower price. By staying focused on the long term, the rich can continue to grow their wealth and ensure its preservation for future generations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful and helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on how to preserve and grow your wealth like the rich. Your financial future is in your hands, and I'm here to help guide you on that journey.